Create 4 or more GIF animations using brush.ninja. To demonstrate your understanding of the elements of art, line, shape, pattern, color, 3D form, and space. To go to brush.ninja, just click on the hyperlink. Your first GIF is about lines. Use the brush tool to free draw some lines. Very important. Hit duplicate and keep drawing. Hit duplicate after every time you draw. Also try the line tool. It's easy to save the GIF. Click on Save. Choose Save as Animated GIF. Choose Download Animated GIF. The GIF will go to your downloads. It's named automatically. Just hit Save. Now you put your GIF animations onto your Google Slides. Click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Choose Downloads, your animation, and click Open. While it's still selected, go to Border Color. Change the color of the outline and the width. Next, I go back to brush.ninja and make a GIF about shapes. To start a new animation, I click on New, OK to delete this existing animation. Click on Shapes. Brush.ninja recently upgraded, and there are so many shapes to choose from. Here's where you experiment. Now I have a GIF for lines and shapes. If I click Ctrl+C and copy the lines GIF, I can paste it, Ctrl+V, in patterns. And I can recycle my GIF. The same GIF that works for lines now works for pattern. Make sure you have a GIF for color, 3D form, and space. I can also recycle a GIF by copying it, pasting it, and using it for 3D form. Here's how. When this GIF is selected, look for Mask Image and choose a 3D shape, the pop-up button, the cylinder, or the cube. Have fun making and recycling GIFs with Google Slide tools to create examples for every element of art: line, shape, pattern, color, 3D form, and space.